2025 is here, and this is your year to finally make it happen. Let me guess, you started last year with big plans, full of energy, but somewhere along the way, life happened, and those dreams got left behind. This time, it's going to be different. No more excuses, no more wasted time. Right now, you have the chance to change everything, and this is the only video you need to watch. If I had to start a YouTube channel in 2025, this is exactly how I do it step by step. No fluff, just a solid plan that works. I'll show you how to build not just one, but two powerful channels, a fully automated shorts channel and a manually crafted long channel designed for success. This is your moment to stop dreaming and start building. Let's take that energy, that fire inside you, and turn it into real results. Success on YouTube is more of a game of patience. So if you have the patience to watch this video till the end, you definitely have what it needs to make your place on YouTube. Stay with me, and I promise you'll leave this video ready to crush it. There is also a big giveaway announcement in this video. Just make sure you don't miss it. Let's get started. Behind every viral channel is a niche so powerful that it grabs attention instantly. What if I told you there's a niche that's not just trending, but practically unstoppable? Let me show you a real example that proves it works. Take a look at this channel, Tales by Manisha. This channel has more than 40,000 subscribers. Their videos are ranking in hundreds of thousands of views, and their most popular video went viral just 2 months ago, followed by another viral video 1 month ago. This proves that this niche is currently trending. Tales by Manisha has pulled a total of almost 2 million views, and they started just 5 months ago. According to Social Blade, they have made around $5,000 in the last month and gained more than 1 million views, which proves the power of this niche. Tales by Manisha makes motivational and wisdom-based tales and stories. These types of videos always have a very high chance of going viral, depending on how good your story is. Their videos are very simple. Just look at one for yourself.
In a city, there lived a beggar. He survived by begging from passengers traveling in the trains that stopped there.
See how good and simple it was? So, guys, proceeding further, your YouTube channel is the first step to your success. If you set it up the right way, you'll already be ahead of most people. In this part, we'll create a brand new channel that's optimized to get noticed and grow fast. To create a new YouTube channel, simply click on the profile icon, then click on Switch Accounts, and then click on View All Channels. Now simply click on Create a Channel. What you need to do is write down a good name if you have any in mind, or simply take the help of ChatGPT. In this step, we will simply ask ChatGPT to provide us with some unique, eye-catching, and easy-to-remember YouTube channel names in the motivational tales niche. ChatGPT will provide us with some good names, but in case you don't like any name, you can always keep regenerating until you are satisfied with a good name. After that, simply create your new channel. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to make it shine. Your banner and logo are the first things viewers will notice, so they need to reflect your brand and grab attention right away. For that, first, we will head to ChatGPT and ask it, for my YouTube channel based on the motivational tales and stories niche, I want you to provide me with some really good and attractive ready-made prompts of images for my channel logo. This prompt will help you get different types of image prompts, which you can then use to make your channel logo in one click. To help ease things for you, I have created a Google document including all prompts and guides. The link will be in the description, and it is completely free to use. Now, we will simply pick a good image prompt and then ask ChatGPT. Make an image of, paste the prompt. ChatGPT will start making your channel logo. I strongly suggest you use ChatGPT for your channel logo because it has some crazy image creation tools, and just look at the image quality, it's fire. But in case you don't like the image, you can try out the other prompts and then download a good image of your choice. Now our channel logo is ready. It's time to make our channel banner. For the channel banner, I suggest you keep it simple. We will be using Canva. Simply select the YouTube thumbnail preset, and after that, search for gradient backgrounds. You can even search for specific color backgrounds. Then, select a background and stretch it to cover the entire page. After that, go to the text section and add a text box. Here, simply write down any motivational words 3 to 4, or just write your channel name. There isn't a need to do much in this niche. Simplicity is the key. Next, choose a bold font for your text. Then go to Effects and choose a good effect for your text that suits the overall design, depending on the type of background you are using. Adjust the text to fit within the banner section. Don't make it too big, as it will not fit properly. Just keep it a bit small. You can also add motivational graphics or icons to make the banner more attractive. One more thing that can take your channel banner to the next level is highlighting a specific part of your text. To do this, highlight the text you want to emphasize. Go to the color options and choose a specific color for that word or phrase. This will give your text a unique touch and make it look more professional. You can also experiment with other elements, icons, emojis, and settings to enhance the banner's look. Once done, export your banner and head to YouTube Studio. First, upload your channel logo and confirm it. Then upload your channel banner as well. And there you go. Your channel branding is complete. Now let's SEO optimize your channel so it appears in search results. For that, go back to ChatGPT and simply ask, provide me with a well-written, SEO-optimized description to help the YouTube algorithm understand what my channel is about. The name of my niche is Motivational Tales and Stories. GPT will provide a complete SEO-optimized description for your channel. Just copy the description and paste it into the description section of your channel. After that, click on Publish to save all the changes. As you can see, your professional-looking and SEO-optimized channel is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for my efforts. Similarly, you need to create your second channel as well because, as I mentioned earlier, we will be making 2 channels, one for shorts and one for long-form content. Now, first, guys, we will be automating our channel with short-form content using an AI tool that I personally use, AI Cut. To get started, simply create a free account using your Gmail. After that, go to the AI Image Story option. Once you land on this interface, things get interesting. Now, go back to GPT and ask GPT to provide you with some trending and viral video topics for short-form content in the motivational tales and stories niche. GPT will then provide you with the best topics that are likely to perform better in short-form content. Next, pick a good video topic, copy it, and head back to AI Cut. Click on Generate Script, paste your video topic there, and then click on Generate Script. AI Cut will write a professional script for you on the specific video topic. Once you have your script, review it and make changes if needed, then go to the video section. From the AI video mode, you can choose AI Video Pro Mode, which adds motion to your videos. However, keep in mind that turning this option on will cost you many tokens, so I recommend keeping it off. Next, select an image preset for your video. From the caption section, choose a caption template for your video. I personally prefer glowing captions because they perform very well. In the voice section, first select 11 labs and then pick a good masculine and mature voice. There are tons of voices available, so choose one that suits your style. I'm not going to suggest any particular voice because I want each of you to select one on your own to ensure unique and distinct sounding videos. Finally, choose copyright-free background music for your video. All the music options available are copyright-free, so you can use them without worrying about copyright issues. Once everything is set, click on AI Image Story, and AI Cut will start creating your video. It will take a few minutes. Trust me, in 2025, having one short-form content channel and one long-form content channel is a must. This is the best strategy to succeed on YouTube in 2025. The price of AI Cut is very reasonable at just $15 per month. Now, for the giveaway announcement. I am giving away 3 pro accounts of AI Cut to 3 of my subscribers. To participate in the giveaway, simply write the hashtag ProvenTube in the comments section, and we will pick 3 winners live in the next video. Also, make sure to join my Discord server using the link in the description to stay connected with me and a large community of creators like yourself. Our video is also ready, guys. Let's watch it.
Don't wait till it's too late. Who would have thought a carefree grasshopper could learn such a valuable lesson about preparation and teamwork? Okay, so in a vibrant insect village, the light-hearted grasshopper spent his days playing and laughing while his ant friend tirelessly prepared for the harsh winter ahead. While the grasshopper mocked the ant's diligence, the world soon froze under a blanket of snow. As hunger and cold set in, the grasshopper, now desperate, knocked on the
Now guys, heading towards creating long-form content for our second channel manually and completely for free. We will head back to GPT and again ask GPT to provide us with some viral video topics on the motivational tales and stories niche. After GPT provides us with video topics, all you need to do is pick a video topic just like before and then ask GPT to write a well-written story script in the form of paragraphs on this video topic. Use only easy and simple English. Avoid hyperbolic language or difficult wording. Start the story directly from a strong hook. Use psychological triggers to make the viewer watch the video till the end. And ensure the story is emotional and relatable. The script should be around 10,000 characters long and avoid giving unwanted context like the person, speaker, or character. Like this, GPT will provide a perfectly written script with everything needed to hook the viewer, making this the best way to command GPT into writing a professional script. Now, for the final part in GPT, we will ask GPT to provide image prompts related to our script and say, I want a different image prompt for every sentence, make sure the image exactly represents what is happening in the scene, and provide image prompts for the whole script. In this way, we will have all the image prompts, and by commanding GPT like this, we will get the perfect image prompts for our script without doing any hard work. Now, once you have the script, it's time to generate our voiceover, and for that, we will be using dupdub. Simply create a free account using your Gmail, and once you land on this interface, there are many features that you can try by yourself, but we will be going with the voiceover part. For more voiceovers, you can select from more than 700 realistic AI voices, and all of them are arranged according to special categories, so it is very easy for you to find a good voice. And there is also option to find a voice similar to your competitors, which can significantly increase your chances of going viral for that. Just copy up the link of one of your competitors' video, and then paste it here in the YouTube URL section, and dupdub will find a matching voiceover character for you. Once you select your voiceover character, simply paste your script here, and then just click on export, and then select MP3, and your voiceover will be exported. But in case you don't like any voice, you can clone your own voice, and for that, you just need to upload a sample of your own voice, and must turn this reduce noise option on for better clarity and voice, and then just select the basic settings of your own choice, such as tone and mood, and just add the voice. And you can then use your own AI voice like any other voice. Now, coming to the visuals, we just need simple, good-looking images for our video. And for that, we will use Leonardo AI, because Leonardo brought something super crazy, which is totally free, so I decided to tell you about it. Simply copy your first image prompt and then come back to Leonardo AI. Then go with this flow state, and after that, simply paste your image prompt here. First, click on Vibe and either go with concept art or oil painting. I have tried these presets and the results will shock you. Then, about lighting mode, keep it automatic. Next, for shot type, go with either epic, cinematic, or elegant. Finally, from color types, you can go with any color type of your choice. You can try out different color types to see the results, and then just make sure to keep the aspect ratio in 16.9, and then simply click on generate. In a few seconds, your images will be ready. Guys, this is the craziest feature of Leonardo, and for now it's free. So use it as much as you can, because just look at the images. The results and details are crazy good. Leonardo is taking things to the next level. Just download 2 to 3 images and repeat the same process for all of your remaining images. Now, guys, simply import all the materials into your editing software and first place the voiceover on the timeline. Make sure to remove all the empty spaces from the voiceover. I always recommend removing all the empty noise parts because they can significantly affect your video performance. Some people ignore this part, and that's why their audience retention drops very quickly, so never miss this step. After that, simply place all your clips on the timeline, and then place all your images. This step can be a little bit confusing at the start. Some people may get confused about which clip to place at which point, but with time and practice, you will become very comfortable with this step. But always make sure you include the best clips in the starting, because the first 30 seconds of a video are very crucial. After all the clips are placed, simply add transitions and effects to your clips. This step can really add 5 stars to your videos. Try to add motion type effects to make your images appear live. CapCut has a large library of free effects, so feel free to experiment with each effect and transition. This step isn't that much to teach because, depending on your video topic and personal touch, you will have to add different types of transitions and effects. Once this step is done, simply go to Adjustments and drag and drop a custom adjustment layer on the timeline. Then, increase the value of contrast to 15, scroll down, and turn sharpness into 17, clarity into 30, and turn the vignette into 10. All these settings will bring a highly realistic and 4K touch to your videos. Then, go to Filters and search for a filter named Clear 2. I personally use this filter, and it's the best filter I have ever used. It automatically does all the color grading for your video, which can take more than 20 minutes if you do them manually, and make sure to keep its value around 80. Then, for the best part, captions. You can generate them in one click in CapCut. This is a feature that even many paid editing software don't have, but CapCut has it available for free. Then, there are templates to turn plain captions into animated ones, which are a must to boost audience retention. You can take your time here and choose your own unique style captions, but always go with long captions for long videos. Then simply place the captions at the bottom of the screen after adjusting their size so that they are not distracting. Finally, you can add a cool and calm motivational music in your video to take things to the professional level. You can download one from YouTube copyright-free background music channels, but never forget to mention those channels in your video description. Otherwise, you will get a copyright claim. Also, reduce the volume of the music so that it's not annoying. You need to learn how to balance things. And finally, our video is ready. Let's watch the video.
The night was cold, and the world seemed cruel. The boy sat on the hospital bed, his small chest rising and falling with uneven breaths. Machines beeped around him, their mechanical rhythm contrasting with the fragile life they tried to protect. The doctor's words echoed in the father's mind, heavy like the weight of the world. He needs this surgery within the week. Without it, there's nothing more we can do.
Guys, how was the video? Let me know in the comments. And now, let's make our video thumbnail. For that, we will be using Canva. Once again, simply select the YouTube thumbnail preset, and then what you need to do is import one of the best images that you made in Leonardo AI. After that, what you need to do is very simple. Just add a simple text box and write down 3 to 4 words related to your video topic that reveal a mystery or create some suspense. Then, just change the color of a specific part of the text and add effects to make it look good. You don't need to do much in making the thumbnail because if you take a look at the thumbnails of Tales by Manisha, you will realize that their thumbnails are very simple, even the viral ones. So at this point, we will simply import our thumbnail. Now let's upload our video with proper SEO. Uploading isn't just a step, it's your key to getting discovered. With proper SEO, your video can reach the right audience and start growing instantly. So we will go back to GPT. We will provide GPT with our video script and ask GPT to provide me with well-written titles and a fully SEO-optimized description, along with tags and hashtags related to my video. You have to do proper SEO so that the YouTube algorithm pushes my video to a larger and broader audience, and use only easy and simple English. Once GPT provides you with all the details, simply copy-paste them one by one on your video. This is the easiest step to SEO optimize your videos. Even I use this step because GPT has all the knowledge related to SEO and the YouTube algorithm, so it will provide us with the perfect SEO for our video. Then, in the final step, you need to select your video category, which will be education, and then simply upload your thumbnail. If you are starting a new channel, you will have to first verify your channel with your phone number, and then you will be able to upload your thumbnail. After that, simply upload your video at a time when most of the audience in your country or in your target country is online, and then make sure every video is published at that specific time. Guys, this was the most in-depth YouTube automation course. I literally covered everything that you need to do, from creating a channel to uploading your first video with proper SEO. And this is exactly what I would do if I had to start a new YouTube channel. If you find my efforts valuable, then don't leave without a like and subscribe, or else I will understand that you don't like me.